Welcome to Lakshman Biology. We are discussing about lethal genes. Lethal genes are divided into two types, recessive lethality and dominant lethality. First example for the recessive lethality is mice skin color. If you did not see the video which is related to lethal genes, please watch the video. After that, you can come and see the examples of lethal genes. Okay, examples of lethal genes. Examples of actually lethal genes are two types, recessive and dominant. First example for the recessive lethality is mice skin color. Recessive means here two mutated alleles are required. Two mutated alleles required for the death. If only one mutated allele is there, those are act as carriers, which not leads to the death, which not leads to the death of the animal. Okay. Here, what is the mice skin color? Why it is example for lethal genes? That we have to see. If you cross the mice, if you cross the mice which is in yellow color, see this is the mice, yellow color mice, and if you cross with another yellow color mice, this is the another yellow color mice, another yellow color mice. Like if you cross the two yellow color mice, yellow color mice, yellow. Then if you see the genotype of these organisms, first one, always you can see the yellow color mice contain heterozygous genotype. Why later you can understand. This contain heterozygous genotype. Heterozygous genotype. Then if you cross these two mice, we can see the formation of offsprings. First, if we see the formation of gametes, one gamete of each mice contain only dominant allele, another one contain recessive. Capital Y, small y, capital Y, small y. Then if you see the possible F1 generation organisms by using the Punnett square, capital Y, capital Y, small y. Here, capital Y, small y, small y, small y. If you see, according to Mendel F1 hybrid, according to Mendel monohybrid cross, when you cross the two heterozygous dominant individuals, we should get the phenotype 3:1 ratio. See, once here, which is deviated from the Mendel law. What is the reason for that? The organisms which contain two dominant alleles leads to death here, because the alleles, instead of dominant, we can say mutated. These are mutated alleles. In homozygous condition, the organism leads to death. Hence, these are the capital Y's are mutated alleles. If two mutated alleles are there, organism leads to death. Hence, if you see the mice which contain capital Y, it will not survive, it will be die. Then if you see the mice which contain capital one Y and small y, those has yellow color. Then this is also yellow color. If you observe the recessive homozygous condition, no yellow. It not contain yellow color. No yellow color. If you observe the mice skin color, all mice which contain two capital Y's, two dominant alleles or two mutated alleles are die. Hence, we cannot see the homozygous dominant for the yellow color. There is no organism with the homozygous dominant will be survive. All are die only. If you see the phenotype of F2 generation, 2 is to 1. 2 are heterozygous dominant, means 2 yellow mice, 1 non-yellow mice we can observe. It is deviated from the Mendel law, hence it is also an example for the deviation from Mendel, and it is also example for recessive lethality. In next class, we will see the second example for recessive lethality.